Sawdust, shavings information. Sawdust and shavings are both byproducts of wood processing and are commonly used in various industries for different purposes. Here is some information about sawdust and shavings. Sawdust. Sawdust is the fine powder that is produced when wood is cut or sawed. It is usually a mixture of different types of wood fibers, and its texture can range from fine to coarse depending on the type of saw and the wood being cut. Sawdust is commonly used as a fuel source for heating and cooking, as a bedding material for animals, as an absorbent for spills, and as a component in the manufacturing of particle board, paper, and other wood-based products. Sawdust can pose a health hazard if inhaled in large amounts, as it can irritate the lungs and cause respiratory problems. It is important to wear a mask or respirator when working with sawdust. Shavings. Shavings are larger pieces of wood that are produced when wood is planed or shaved. They are typically longer and thicker than sawdust, and their texture can range from fine to coarse depending on the type of wood and the tool used to produce them. Shavings are commonly used as a bedding material for animals, as a fuel source for heating and cooking, and as a decorative element in landscaping. Shavings are less likely to cause respiratory problems than sawdust, as they are larger and heavier and therefore less likely to become airborne. However, it is still important to wear a mask or respirator when working with shavings.